Nestled in the heart of Berthoud, this exceptional 77-acre property offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and luxurious living. As visitors turn off County Road 3 and head down the long driveway, the breathtaking mountain views to the west immediately capture the eye. These stunning vistas set the stage for the custom-built home that lies ahead, offering privacy and serenity in a picturesque setting. Built in 2009, this impressive 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home spans 4,612 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Every room is crafted for comfort and luxury with high-end finishes and modern appliances. The spacious kitchen serves as the heart of the home, perfect for both entertaining and family meals. Large windows at the back of the home frame the panoramic mountain views, making the surrounding landscape a part of the home's charm. Throughout the home, attention to detail is evident, from the spacious living areas with a beautiful rock fireplace to the well-appointed bedrooms and stylish bathrooms. The master bedroom offers direct access to the back patio, as well as an attached master bathroom with a beautiful walk-in shower and separate bathtub. This property provides the ideal retreat, connecting residents with nature while offering all the comforts of modern living. Beyond the home, the property's agricultural potential is equally remarkable. Multiple outbuildings, including a large hay barn, 3 expansive greenhouses, and ample storage space for equipment or livestock, are strategically placed across the land. Historically used for growing a variety of crops such as nursery tree seedlings, sorghum, alfalfa, corn, and hemp, the property is equipped with an underground Netafim irrigation system that ensures consistent and efficient watering. With 4 shares of the Hayden Ditch Company, 4 shares of the McIntyre Ditch Company, and 1 share of the Loveland Lake and Ditch Company, the land boasts significant water rights. The property's capacity to produce approximately 2,800 bales per cutting demonstrates its potential for large-scale farming operations. With its stunning views, luxurious home, and agricultural opportunities, the 77-acre property offers unmatched possibilities for farmers, developers, and investors alike. For more information and a private showing, please contact James Massey at 303-775-5088.